In this video, we will show you how to change the inner tail light on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To replace the inner tail light on your vehicle, you need to open the trunk. Then, for safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Jeep Grand Cherokee Car Battery. Using a car trim removal tool, unclip the tailgate plastic trim. Run along all three sides to disengage all clips. Remove the electrical connectors of the trunk side lights. To do this, lift the tabs and pull on the connectors. You can use a hook. Remove the plastic trim. Disconnect the power connectors from the bulbs. To remove the light bulb socket from the tail light housing, turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. Disconnect the electrical connector. To do this, start by pulling on the red tab, then push on the tab and pull on the connector. Put the socket into the tail light housing and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. To remove the brake light bulb socket from the tail light housing, turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the plastic tab. Put the socket into the taillight housing. Using a ratchet and a long 10mm socket, unscrew the 4 taillight retaining nuts. You can now remove the light. You can order the inner tail light used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new tail light, all the bulbs are supplied with it. Put the light back in, then screw the retaining nuts back in. Reconnect the electrical connectors of the tail light. Bring the plastic trim closer. Reconnect the side light's electrical connectors. Replace the plastic trim by fitting it. Reconnect the battery. Close the trunk. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.